Customers expect to get answers instantly on your website, in Microsoft Teams, on WhatsApp, and through voice channels all at the same time. Building a chatbot that works across all those channels, manages multi-turn dialogue, integrates with your backend APIs, and connects to Azure OpenAI for generative answers requires connecting dozens of moving parts. Azure AI Bot Service is Microsoft's managed bot platform that handles channel routing, dialogue management, and authentication so you focus on your bot's logic, not plumbing. This video covers everything you need to know. Building a production chatbot from scratch creates 5 hard problems. Channel integration means writing separate adapters for Teams, Slack, WebChat, WhatsApp, and voice, each with different message formats and authentication flows. Multi-turn dialogue state must be stored and retrieved on every turn without race conditions. Natural language understanding needs intent classification and entity extraction before any business logic can run. Authentication and single sign-on must be handled securely for enterprise users, and scaling to thousands of concurrent conversations requires infrastructure you must provision and operate. Azure AI Bot Service is Microsoft's fully managed bot hosting and channel routing platform. It gives you 3 core layers. The Bot Framework SDK in C#, Python, or JavaScript handles multi-turn dialogue with built-in waterfall dialogs, adaptive dialogs, and state management. Azure Bot Service hosts your bot and connects it to 15+ channels including Teams, WebChat, Slack, Telegram, and telephony with a single registration. Azure OpenAI integration lets you wire generative AI responses and RAG-based knowledge retrieval directly into your dialogue flow. A bot conversation runs in 6 steps. A user sends a message on any connected channel, Teams, WebChat, or voice. The channel adapter normalizes the message into an activity object. Azure Bot Service routes the activity to your bot's endpoint over a secure webhook. Your bot processes the activity through its dialog stack, calls backend APIs or Azure OpenAI, and generates a reply activity. The bot service delivers the reply back through the channel adapter. State changes are persisted to Azure Cosmos DB or Blob storage for the next turn. The Azure AI Bot Service stack has 5 layers. The channel layer connects your bot to Teams, Slack, WebChat, telephony, and custom channels through the Direct Line API. The Bot Framework SDK manages dialogue lifecycle, adaptive dialogues, and middleware pipelines in your code. The state layer persists conversation and user state in Azure storage for multi-turn context. The AI layer integrates Azure OpenAI, CLU for intent recognition, and QNA Maker knowledge bases. The security layer handles OAuth authentication flows and Azure Active Directory single sign-on. How does Azure AI Bot Service compare? AWS Lex handles intent-based bots for Alexa and Connect, but has limited SDK flexibility and no native Teams integration. Dialogflow CX from Google is strong on visual flow design, but requires custom code for Teams and Enterprise Auth. Rasa is open source and flexible but means self-hosting, managing NLU training pipelines, and writing all channel adapters yourself. Azure AI Bot Service leads for Microsoft 365 and Teams First Enterprise deployments and for connecting bots to Azure OpenAI Generative AI. Azure AI Bot Service powers Microsoft Teams bots used by millions of enterprise users daily. The Direct Line API and Bot Framework channel router process billions of bot messages per month across Azure's global infrastructure. The adaptive dialogue system introduced in Bot Framework 4.8 reduces bot development time by up to 40% compared to waterfall-only dialogue models by enabling declarative, composable conversation flows. Azure AI Bot Service powers 5 categories of enterprise conversational AI. HR self-service bots answer policy questions, process leave requests, and onboard new employees through Microsoft Teams with single sign-on from Azure Active Directory. IT help desk bots handle password resets, software requests, and incident triage by integrating with ServiceNow and its APIs. Customer support bots on WebChat and WhatsApp answer FAQ, route complex cases to agents, and trigger backend order and account lookups. Internal knowledge bots use Azure OpenAI and RAG to search SharePoint, Confluence, and internal documentation in natural language. Sales enablement bots push deal summaries, meeting prep briefs, and CRM updates to reps directly in Teams. A minimal bot in Python. Create a bot adapter with your app credentials. Define an activity handler class that overrides on message activity. Call turn context.send activity with your reply, and register the adapter with an auth endpoint. Add conversation state and user state objects backed by memory storage or Azure Blob storage for multi-turn context. To connect Azure OpenAI, call the OpenAI client inside on message activity and include the completion in your reply. No special wiring needed. Use Azure AI Bot Service when you need a multi-channel enterprise bot deployed to Teams, WebChat, or telephony with managed hosting, auth, and dialog state management. It is the right choice for HR, IT help desk, customer support, and knowledge retrieval bots in Microsoft 365 environments. Skip it if you only need a simple single-channel FAQ widget. A lightweight JavaScript chatbot library may be faster to ship. For fully generative open-ended agents that manage tools and memory autonomously, Azure AI Agents in the AI Foundry Agent Service gives you richer agentic primitives than the dialog stack. Azure AI Bot Service in 5 points. 1. 15+ channel connectors including Teams, Slack, WebChat, and telephony with a single bot registration and the direct line API. 2. Bot Framework SDK manages multi-turn dialog with adaptive dialogs, middleware, and built-in OAuth authentication flows. 3. Conversation and user state persisted in Azure Cosmos DB or Blob storage for reliable context across sessions. 4. Azure OpenAI and CALU integration for generative answers, intent recognition, and RAG-based knowledge retrieval in your dialog logic. 5. Azure native hosting, monitoring, Azure Active Directory SSO and enterprise compliance including HIPAA and FedRAMP. Stop wiring channel adapters and state stores from scratch. Azure AI Bot Service gives you multi-channel routing, dialog management, and Azure OpenAI integration as a managed platform. Start at aka.ms/Azure Bot Service.